Hey guys, it's Arpita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I painted this pebble. For this painting, only few things are required. You will be needed white, blue and black acrylic colors. After applying them on the pebble, you will have to blend them. The process is very easy, just watch minutely. You know what? At first I was trying to paint a beautiful starry night sky on it, but it was not looking that good. Then I thought seashore might look better on this piece of stone because it has got a very beautiful texture on its surface. But one problem was there, I didn't have any straw, which was very important to make the sea foam, and the paint was drying. So I used a pen as a substitute of straw and it worked really well. Now comes the most interesting part. I decorated it with some glitters. Actually, I had some golden glitters left and I used them here to make the sand on the beach. Though I was not sure about it, but it was looking quite good. I also had some zari stones and I made a tiny little starfish out of them, and it turned out really good. And here I have used dendrite glue for this. Finally, I added some blue glitters on the sea portion, which made it look even more prettier. And if you are interested in pebble paintings, then I have another video on this topic. You may watch that. Look how pretty it's looking. Well, let me know about your thoughts in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.